Everything about Frappe and ERPNext in containers. Getting started. To get started, you need Docker, Docker Compose, and Git setup on your machine. For Docker basics and best practices, refer to Docker's documentation. Once completed, choose one of the following two sections for next steps. Try and play with Docker. To play in an already set up sandbox in your browser, click the button below. Try on your dev environment. First, clone the repo. Git clone https://github.com/frappdocker cd frappe docker. Then run docker compose-fpwd.ymlsd. Final steps. Wait for 5 minutes for ERPNext site to be created or check create site container logs before opening browser on port 8 username administrator password admin. If you ran in a dev Docker environment, to view container logs, docker compose-fpwd.yml-d. Don't worry about some of the initial error messages. Some services take a while to become ready, and then they go away. Documentation production, list of containers, single compose setup environment variables, single server example, setup options, site operations, backup, and push cron. Job port-based multi-tenancy, migrate from multi-images, setup running on Linux, custom images, custom apps, build version 10 images, development using containers, bench launch console, and VS Code debugger, local host services, troubleshoot, contributing. If you want to contribute to this report, refer to contributing.md. This repository is only for container-related stuff. You also might want to contribute to Frappe Framework, ERPNext, Frappe Bench,